I'm here today. I brought gel pen.
Very good. Good morning, all of you. Once again, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I was not there tomorrow. So
Not tomorrow, yesterday.
yesterday. So what we have done?
We have done a few questions related with the number system, some revision with the number system.
Recap
Just
of
a
number
minute.
system.
Wait a minute, my dear children.
Recap
Wait.
of number system.
Wait.
Rudra Master.
Yes, so we have done yesterday, Rudra Master, you were asking, right? We have done yesterday recap of the number system. What is successor, what is predecessor, how to write the number in the word.
Arrange. Ascending or descending also.
Ascending and descending order, which you have already done in the grade 4, and that we have done. The Rudra Master, I can just only see your head portion. Please stable your camera properly. Ridan Goyal, turn on your camera, please, and sit properly at one place. Okay, so we first discuss those who have submitted their work and those who have not submitted. I will request them. My screen is visible to everyone. Children, every day I will discuss about the homework. Every day I will discuss.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So look here,
Yes,
your
ma'am.
names. If your name is not there, means you are supposed to send your work latest by today. आज के बाद अगर भेजा तो मैं check नहीं करूँगी and you will be not graded on this. You already know. So I got Arna Agarwal, Khush Ahuja, Khevna Ankolia, Twisha, Nishika, Dhyan Dalal, Yes Desai, Ridhan Goyal, Rudra Jajaria, Samriddhi. Anya Mittal send me, but no attachment is there. Migdad. So Anya, you have to send me again if she is there. Migdad has sent me Karnav, Rahil, Aryaman, Sanghai, Dave, Dhanchelya, Ayu Singhania, and Laksha Thakral. So these are the students whose work I got on time. I request Dan Chillai, I will tell you one thing. When I was checking, see, if you have, I taught you yesterday, it was Thursday and Friday. Ayush, please stop talking.
Yes.
2 days work, I will check today, right? And I will give you a report on Monday. But we will discuss every day those who have sent or those who have not sent, and they have to send the latest by within 2 days. I want the work. If I don't get the work, I will mark as 0 in your grades. No grades. Please take a note of this on regular basis. Yes, Dhairya.
So today also we have to write in index everything.
Yes, I will tell you what to write. Okay, so let's, I'll stop my presentation and then you all have to pin on my board screen. If you will not pin on my board screen, you want to see everyone, you want to see your friends, then you will not able to see my board and you will say, ma'am, your board is not clear. So pin on my board screen, you will able to see. Okay, now first of all, let me take your attendance. Children, don't think teacher is not taking attendance. Teacher is taking attendance. She is having an extension. She is downloading your attendance every day.
Ma'am, we should write Indian. Which you write Indian and international.
Wait a minute, I will tell you everything. Wait a minute.
Okay.
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
मैम आज तो टाइम टेबल में कैटरीन मैम का पीरियड है.
No. Ma'am, let me check the timetable first. Ma'am,
Catherine ma'am has uploaded the updated timetable.
Yes. मैम आपको कल एक अपडेटेड टाइम टेबल मिला होगा. Ma'am, Dhyan Dalal ke parents, they were speaking, no, right? Am I audible, children? मैम कल आपको एक अपडेटेड टाइम टेबल मिला था? ध्यान दलाल, आई एम टॉकिंग टू योर पेरेंट्स.
पर मुझे लगा कि वो फिर से अपडेट आया है टाइम टेबल का.
नहीं,
ओके, चेंज हो गया है. ओके ओके.
जो कल आपको अपडेटेड टाइम टेबल कैथरीन मैम ने भेजा था उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप फॉलो करिए.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. So children, first of all, you open your index page first. Write number 2 in the serial number.
Indian system now.
Ma'am, in
Please
notebook.
open your index page first.
Ma'am, in notebook.
Yes, in notebook. You have index page in notebook only, not in textbook. Serial number is 2 because we are doing the second topic now. In title, you will write Indian and International System. Indian and International System. In date, you write today's date. 20421. I hope you all have completed your index. Vedi, you are not doing anything. Open your notebook, start doing. Vedi, I'm talking to you. I want everyone write with the camera on, please. Guna, please put your camera on. Jahan Agarwal, Ayan Agarwal, Yash Desai, put your camera on, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Guna, please put your camera on. Freya, camera on, please. Megdad, please put your camera on.
Ma'am,
And I will not repeat again. If you are not at your place, it's your fault. You are in class, you please have to pay attention.
ma'am, in blank notebook, na new notebook.
Yes, new notebook. Vedi, we have studied yesterday also one topic. Now we are doing an international system.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am, I wanted to ask that in the top where we have to write in notebook topic, there also we have to write Indian and number, Indian and international.
Your index is done.
Yeah.
Title is given there. There you have written this top name.
Yeah.
Yeah. First complete the index, then I will come on the next page.
Okay.
After completing this index, open new page in your notebook. Jahan Agarwal said properly. After completing the index, open new page in your notebook and write today's date on the new page and write this topic again on the after the red line. This is your red line in your notebook. After the red line, write this topic name. Please write neatly. Dhyan Chillai, please write neatly and correctly.
Ma'am, this.
And please copy the spellings correctly.
Ma'am, this na.
Start writing. Okay. Now children, take pencil and scale in your hand. Take pencil and scale in your hand. And draw a table. First you see, then draw. Otherwise, आपको बार-बार erase करना पड़ेगा. First you see, we need to draw this table with the pencil. And draw 9 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And please take same width of the columns. Otherwise untidy दिखेगा. Right? इसमें कोई concept नहीं है. Why? But concept ये है कि untidy ना दिखे तो width जो है आपके columns की वो same होनी चाहिए. Neatly draw 9 columns. And then you divide them into 2.
Ma'am, we take pencil.
Ma'am.
Yes.
We take pencil.
Yes, you have to draw this table with the pencil only, pencil and scale.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rahil.
ma'am, I cannot see properly. It is blurred.
Rahil, pin on my board screen.
Ma'am, I pin you.
Is any other child is facing difficulty with the board screen?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Rahil, log out and log in again. Yes, Aryaman, any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Please draw 9 columns neatly. Bedi, you do along with me. Don't sit in class. Then you will write ones, tens. Spelling of ones is ones. This table we are making Indian table, Indian number system. Ones, tens, hundreds, HUNDREDS, hundreds. Then this period will over. What will come then, children? You already know about the Indian system. Thousand. THOUSANDS, thousand. So you will write for thousand. Short form is TH.
Ma'am, we have to draw.
Yes, Rahil. Yes, from the beginning I'm telling draw with the pencil and scale. Whatever I am doing here on the board, you do in your notebook. Then after 1,000, what will come?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000.
What is the short form of 10,000?
TTH.
TTH.
TDH.
Then what will come after 10,000?
Lakh.
Ma'am, 1 lakh. 10 lakh.
L is the short form of lakh. What will come?
10
lakh.
10 lakh.
10 million and 10 million.
10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000.
Million.
10 lakh.
10 lakh.
Lakh, 10 lakh. What is the short form of 10 lakh?
TL.
TL.
TL. And then what will come next?
Ma'am,
Million.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C. Crore.
Ma'am, crore and 10 crore. Ma'am, crore and 10 crore.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you up the laptop
What I will do?
like this?
See now. Is it visible?
Ma'am? No, I want to
writing we have to
the
write with a pen.
top one.
When you are writing inside the table, write with the pen.
Not right. Ma'am, I know there is no space in my book, so I not write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh.
I already told you first make the table properly. Lakshya.
I make properly, but if
If it is not coming in this way, you have to draw in a sleeping way also. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Then what will come next? Crore. What is the short form of crore?
C.
What is the short form of crore?
C.
C.
And then what will come after crore?
10 crore.
10 crore.
TC. Okay. Now, yes.
Ma'am, actually, my scale is small, so I can make a small table. So, is it necessary to write the spellings?
You write the short form then.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, what is below crore?
C. Short form of crore is C.
Lakh, I couldn't go to 10 crore and 10 lakh.
What make that?
Ma'am, I I don't have the space, so I only could go till lakhs.
I already told you to make a table with 9 columns. If you not listen in the class, then how you will do? Make that. I already given the instruction in the beginning that make a column with the nine columns you have to make in the table. If you
Ma'am, I have
do
tried to make it equal, but it is coming only small. I have made
no problem. My dear children, see, now you are in grade 5. If your table is not coming in this way, you make table in this way. Okay.
okay, ma'am, but my almost 2 are not coming.
So make small columns then.
Okay, ma'am.
So now, children, now first thing I want to tell you that 1 stands 100 is because we are putting after 3 values comma, right? After 3 places we are putting the comma from the right side. Now give me the answer, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. When we are coming from right side to left side, after 3 values we put the comma. So this is our ones place. This is our ones period. They have families. So this is the one family where 3 members are there. After that, in Indian system, only 2 members are there in the family. Have you noticed that? So this is the 1000. Don't write this. I am writing for your convenience. This is the 1000 place value or the 1000 family. Then when you move ahead with this is the lakh family. And then again crore family. One family has 3 members. Then when we move after 100, if I ask how many places in one's period? How many places in one's period? Give me answer.
3.
3 places in one's period. How many places in 1000 period?
2.
2 places in 1000 period. How many places in lakh period? 2 places in lakh period. How many places in crore period? 2 places in crore period. So always remember in Indian place value system, from right side when we are coming towards the left side, so first family is the ones family which has 3 members. After moving ahead, second family is the 1000 family which has 2 members in his family. Next is the lakh family which is 2 members in the family. And then is the crore also has 2 members. That's why if I write any number and I tell you put the comma according to the Indian system.
Ma'am, I did it.
Yes, Dhairya will tell me how we will put the comma, Dhairya.
Ma'am, 9 is ones, 8 is tens, 6 is hundreds. So after 6 there will be a comma.
Yes, after when we complete this one's family, after one's family we put a comma. Because now
Then
1000 family is coming. So after
Yeah, so 1000 and 10,000.
Wait. Now next child, Trisha will tell me. Trisha, next comma will go where?
Ma'am, 4 is 1000 family and 3 is 10,000 families.
So this is 34. Those both are coming in 1000 family, whether 1000 or 10,000. So here will come comma.
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is the alone number. Okay, so we ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 or lakh. If I tell you that after writing it to the comma, now if I tell you, Arna Agarwal will tell me, Arna, if I tell you write this number in words, how you will write this number in words?
I'm 2 lakhs.
2 lakh. No.
34,000.
2 lakh 34,000.
Ma'am, we have to write this. 600.
Yeah, please write. Please do this. 2,34,689. 600. What is the spelling of 100, Arna?
HUNDRED.
689. EIGHTY89. So this, first of all, you have to, whenever the question comes, to write in words. So first you put the comma, write their place values at the top, and then you will able to write it into the words properly. Am I clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, downstairs of the table, what do we have to write?
Down the table, you do one sum. This, the way I have done, write this number, put the comma, write their places, write it in the word.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Arrows also
Ma'am.
one.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
you also please make this family now. Now after understanding this, sometimes you will note in the books they are writing here up. I don't have a space, so I am telling you here to write down. But if you have a space up, so you take 3 places and write once. Wait a minute, I'll erase this and I'll show you.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, I have completed a table, so now what I have to do?
Do this sum, put comma, write it in the words.
Like I have completed drawing the table, so now I have to put the short forms, right?
Yeah, put the short forms, then put the this
Short form
family
and
name,
long form also, ma'am.
Vans.
Which you write that down
This
now.
is one's family.
And we should wrote down now 2,34,689. And long form also, ma'am, we should write.
Lakh. You have written down.
That also you need to write.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
brother of 1,000 lakh and crore
So
also.
once, then you write 1,000.
Renu ma'am,
Yes.
I have made in this way it's okay because I have written Indian and international date and day here, but made the table like this.
No problem. Okay.
And
Then
now, ma'am, and besides it, I have to do this 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 1,
then
right?
you do on the next page. This is the sum. This is the just explanation I explained you.
Excuse
Now I
me,
have to do next page, right? On
Yes.
next page, this I
And
have to
so,
write.
ma'am, I wrote, so I write this 2,004, 2
Now
lakhs.
listen first. Listen first. Everyone mute yourself and listen. Children, first I explain you about the table. Then I explain you about, I have given you one example. Suppose I write some digit and I tell you, yes, Trisha, put it down. This is just an example which I explain you. Suppose if any number is given to you, how you will put the comma. Then I have shown you how to put the comma. Then I have asked how you will write it into the words. So first you put the places up and then only it is possible to write their number name. So this is an example we have done on the basis of how to put the comma and how to write it into the words. So after making a table, you do this example. First, and dhyan children, if you don't understand my cursive handwriting, you please tell me then and there. Because when I was checking your worksheet, your spellings are not correct. Yes, ready?
Side.
Yeah. Yes, Trisha.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. After I've written and the short forms, now I have to do the example and then.
Write it into the words.
Yeah.
Write it into words. You can take any example and put the comma. 3 steps you have to do. You take any example with number of digits 6, 7, any number of digits 5, 4, 3, any number of digits. You take these digits, put comma, how to put the comma according to Indian system, and then write it into words.
And ma'am, then after the example, we have to do what you have done, like this ones, thousands, lakhs, and the on the up of the table.
You do this now on the top of the table.
Okay. Yes. Ma'am.
Yes, Trisha.
Ma'am, can I write the expanded form of this also?
Yeah, you're right. Because now, if you are clear with the concept, you can write expanded form. You will able to write how to write it into the words, how to write the number names, right? And number names and words is the same thing. And if number names is given to you, how you will write it into the numbers? If you are clear with the table, you will able to do all the concepts related with the Indian number system.
Excuse me,
Indian
ma'am.
number system we are learning because this system is following in India. Which child is saying excuse me?
Ma'am, Aryaman.
Yes, Aryaman.
Ma'am, you have written this example here. We have to write in this notebook also.
Yes. Now, children, after this Indian system table, I will tell you international system table. If
So,
now
ma'am, we have to make international table.
Yes.
We have to make international table.
Yes, that table also we will make.
So, ma'am, can I do that which I made that on that page which I have done? Indian system on up, I have so much space, so there I make again international one.
Yes. Don't make it untidy. Okay. If you want to use the new page, use it new page.
Ma'am,
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the table, you have told make 2 blocks. In the second block, what we have to do?
Wait a minute. Your voice is not coming clearly. Now tell.
Ma'am, you have told to make 2 blocks in the table. So in the first block, I wrote all the, and in the second block, what do we have to write?
Which second block you are asking, my dear? Wait a minute. Which second block?
Ma'am, see, this is the book. So in this here, there is other.
Then leave it. That is just for the explanation. Very neatly you have done. Good. Yes.
Ma'am, in this second block I have written this 1, 10, 1,000, 100 in second block.
So why you have written then in the second? Show me. Family you have written. Okay, good. Neat work.
Ma'am, mine is correct. I have done like this. So here I can write that the example.
Here you can write. Yes.
But I have made like this and I write like this.
Yes. No problem. Okay,
Ma'am, see
children.
my work. Ma'am, see.
Children, wait. You would have to click the picture and send it to me. Then I will check your work and give you comment. Now I have to move for the international system. Yes, Trisha, nice, neat work. Please click the picture, send it to me.
Shall I write over here or in the next page?
Next page. International system on the new page.
Ma'am, but I have a lot of space here.
No, please use new page. I don't want any work untidy. Same again. Draw 9 columns. 1, 2, 3. Please mute yourself. Khusha, Huja, mute your mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 columns. Okay. And after 3, put a long straight line, because I will tell you how. There also I have explained you. बाद में मैंने explain किया था, but here I will explain you in the beginning only. After every 3 columns, put a big line, so आप इनके periods को differentiate कर सकें. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now, so this 3 in international system and Indian system में difference ये है कि इंडियन सिस्टम में वंस की फैमिली में भी 3 मेंबर्स थे, राइट, पर थाउजेंड्स की फैमिली में 2 मेंबर्स थे, राइट. क्या थे, कितने मेंबर्स थे 1000 की फैमिली में? 2. बट इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में, प्लीज राइट द हेडिंग आल्सो, इंटरनेशनल प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट.
इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू
तो वंस की प्लेस के मेंबर्स के नाम थे वंस, टेंस, 100. उसके बाद 1000 की प्लेस वैल्यू शुरू हो रही थी, तो हियर आल्सो 1000 का ही फैमिली चलेगा, बट हियर यू वर राइट 1000, 10,000 and 100,000.
Ma'am, in international system, all of the families have
3 members. Yes, all of the families have 3 members. So 3 places are there in all the families. One's family may be 3 places है.
1,00,000, 10 lakh and 100 lakh.
Wait a minute, Lakshya. One's 10's 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now there we were having which family in the Indian system? 1000 के बाद किसकी फैमिली आती थी?
Lakh.
और यहाँ पर नाम चेंज है, या मिलियन फैमिली आएगी. कौन सी फैमिली आएगी?
मिलियन.
यहाँ पे लैख की फैमिली नहीं है. समटाइम्स वी हैव नो फैमिलीज कि दिस इज भार्गव फैमिली, अग्रवाल फैमिली, राइट, श्रीवास्तव फैमिली, पंजाबी फैमिली. पर यहाँ पर जो है वंस की फैमिली, 1000 की फैमिली के बाद लैख फैमिली की जगह मिलियन फैमिली है इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में. और ये इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम हम क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं? व्हाई वी आर लर्निंग? बिकॉज व्हेन वी गो आउट ऑफ इंडिया, the other countries, they follow the international system. Clear?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
So in ones there are 3, then in 1000 there is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So I have heard only one time 100,000. So I didn't.
This is 100,000, no? There. Sit properly and pay attention here. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Got it?
Yes,
and then in million also, million, 10 million, TM. The short form of 10 million is TM, and the 100 million is HM. So I'm writing the short forms only: million, 10 million, 100 million. इसकी फैमिली में भी 3 members, 3 members, 3 members, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब मैं आपको कंपैरिजन आई विल शो यू इंडियन सिस्टम में और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में क्या फर्क हो रहा था. बिलो दिस आई विल मेक द इंडियन प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट ऑल्सो, तो आपको डिफरेंस पता लग जाएगा, राइट? वंस 10, do you don't make, you first understand. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore,
TTH.
10 crore.
Ma'am, there will be TTH.
ठीक है. अब if I say 100, so if I want to write 100 in the international system, I will write 100 like this. Children, this is international. You can write side. This is international table. In one table only I make 2 tables. This is Indian table. And I want to show you the comparison between these 2 tables, these 2 terms. If I tell you to write 100 in international system, तो आप 100 ऐसे ही लिखोगे. And if I tell you to write in the Indian system, तब भी आप 100 ऐसे ही लिखोगे. So is there any difference in international system and the Indian system में 100 को लिखने का कोई difference है?
No, ma'am. Only the first pair.
No,
the
ma'am.
First 2 families of Indian and international both are same, but next family is different.
Yes, that I will come on that. First family is same. अगर मैंने 100 आपको बोला लिखने के लिए इंडियन सिस्टम में, तो 100 आप ऐसे ही लिखोगे. Right? If I tell you to write, I'm extending this because I need to explain you more. If I tell you to write 1000 in the Indian system, if you write 1000 in the Indian system, you write 1000 like this. And if I tell you to write 1000 in the international system, maybe 1000 ऐसे ही आएगा. And Indian system में भी 1000 same आएगा. Is there any different?
No, ma'am.
No, because 1000 की place यहाँ भी same है, यहाँ भी same है. Then comes to the 10,000. क्या 10,000 में difference आएगा?
No, ma'am.
No. If I tell you to write 100,000.
Yes, ma'am.
So this table will keep on going. If I ask 100,000, 100,000 will be same as 100,000 will be same as, my dear children, give me answer. Lakh. Very good. So this I want to explain you. सिर्फ नाम change है, right? उनकी places का name change है, पर उनकी digits same ही होंगी. So आप नीचे लिख सकते हैं कि 1 lakh equals to 100,000 के बराबर ही होगा. Both are same. If in international system में 100,000 की बात करूं और 1 lakh की बात करूं, तो दोनों same है. 100,000. Both are same, right? Then go to the further. Million और 10 million दोनों same है. Language इनकी places change है. Million and 10 million की only places change है. So if I say 1 million, so 1 million is equals to how many lakhs? My dear children,
Ma'am, 1 million is equal to 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
No, 1 million equal to 10 lakh.
Yeah, 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
No, 1 million के नीचे
10 million is equal to 100 lakh.
10 million is equal
10
to
million is equal to 1 crore.
1 crore. Yes.
How
आप
many
देख सकते
crore?
हैं, दोनों टेबल्स को मैच करके देख सकते हैं कहाँ पे चेंज. 10,000 equals to 1,000.
I want to that crore and 10 million. So if I write in international system the 10 million, so in Indian system how many crores?
1 crore.
Yeah, 1 crore. Okay.
आप 10 million लिखते हैं इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में, वो किसके
So 10
इक्वल है?
million is equal to 1 crore.
Anya, are you writing?
Yes, 1 crore.
Are you understanding? I will ask tomorrow questions on this. Now tell me, 10 crore is equals to how many millions?
100 millions.
10 crore is equal to 100 million.
10 crore equals to 100 millions. Got it? सिर्फ नाम चेंज है.
Yes, ma'am.
उनकी प्लेसेस सेम है, नाम चेंज है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड अगर आपसे कोई कॉमा के लिए पूछा जाता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई गिव यू वन नंबर 3, 6, 9, 8, 4, 7, 9 and I tell you to put the comma according to international system. So how you will put the comma? You will count 3 values from the back. 1, 2, 3. Put a comma. And then how many numbers will be counted again?
3.
3, because we are following international system, I am asking. So after every 3 digit, you put a comma in international system. Okay? Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, it is easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. There, I will
It's
see.
like this.
Ma'am, can you say?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we have to write this also 100, 1000.
No, this is for the explanation to you. You when you compare both the tables, you should know कि क्या difference है दोनों में.
No, ma'am, I'm not asking that. In international table, you are right now.
No, this I have written just for your explanation.
Okay.
Don't write. But if I ask 1 lakh equals to how many thousand in the international system?
Ma'am, 1 lakh is equal
Ma'am,
to
100.
after the 10, when you have 10,000.
Same you have the problem. Children, you have a problem same like grade 4. You talk together. You have not learned the entire year how to sit in the classroom and how to ask the queries.
Ma'am, you write to 10,000. There, you should
Where to
write
count?
there after the lakh.
After lakh, it is 10 lakh. 1,000, it is ones, tens, 100,000, it is 10,000.
You wrote that.
Sorry. So यहाँ तक तो दोनों की places same है. ये भी 10,000, ये भी 10,000. But if I talk about 1 lakh, it is same as 100,000. If I talk about 10 lakh in Indian system, 10 lakh is same as 1 million. If I talk about 1 crore in Indian system, is same as 10 million. If I talk about 10 crore, is same as 100 million. Okay.
Ma'am, in 2 minutes we have a class.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Today's class is over.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.